Klaro na.
Look, short.
Mulupad din mo short. Ikuha na.
Gusto nila, wa na. Agara.
Ay, bangkay, putla ng kahoy, oh. Ah! Mari na motol tadaan, no, kaya ang mga kahoy.
Oh, na flashlight.
No. Yung ato.
Nagundi sila na ako video eh.
Wala na maputol good kay na yung wire naka-attach. Uy, nagubo na yung scene.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Hayag na, boy. Doon hata na. How are you supposed to get that?
Tagak na.
You cannot even get that. It's like snake and ladder.
Bali ng tsaya.
We cannot see it.
Time check 6:30.
Why is this? I just see some things that look like this.
Amin din. Ay, natumba, nabali ang tsaya. Lumaban ang mung bean si Dry ko, lumaban.
And also that it survived like a legend. My mung bean survived like a legend.
Oh, lumaban ang munggos, oh.
It
Ang mung
survived
bean
like
si
a
Dry
legend.
lumaban, pero ang akong
Legend.
pamat, akong tomato, nabali. Buhay lagi, pero nagkiratugan na si Chaya.
Wow, uy.
Kala, kap TV.
Pandaw sutay. Pandaw susuway lay sutay.
Wala, nabali naman. Wala, may kasurvival, patay na yan. Nagipag-video to sa
Pandaw
lawat,
susu.
Ay, wala pag yun ay. Wala ka survive akong tomate.
La iPod. Wala survive. It survived like a legend. Mung beans. Aritas pikas pati na iyang kamutis. Ay kamatis. Aritas mung beans. Na-survive akong mung beans like a Superman. Wow! I-focus po, di mo na. Tara. Ang isa. Ara, kamay pa ka. How did it just survive? Survive. Good. Survive.
Matay nyo na akong tomates. Wala na. Damage.
Everything
Sa Bagyong Tino.
is missing.
Ang ano? Kabunggay.
The tree. The little tree is
Wala, saging ka, sayang.
sagging. Oh no.
Sayang nga saging.
The sagging has died. And it died.
Kapayas food.
Yeah. Before it was like over there.
Hi guys, good evening. Sobrang out gihapon. So maghimo mig DIY na lampara. So nagamit ig salt o used oil. Tapos, Koptidrik. Hold.
Okay.
Then, at saba ma. Unya. Kani, barbecue stick o cotton. Mo na itong ibutang sa tunga.
We're gonna do this.
So, ato na siyang itusok.
Then use the lighter.
Turunga. Wala, padungod. Ay, luhag.
I get scared. My God.
Oh, then,
And it turns into a DIY candle.
oh, na lamp na ta.
Then we have a lamp.
DIY lamp.
Now we have to focus on making more so we can see.
Bubuha siya ni Sigar.
Let me try to not use the flashlight. Oh, it's...
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Why is the lighter like it's being a flame for it? Oh my goodness, I can see it. This is what I did, it's just dark. And then I turn it, it just looks like this and it off.
Ay, duwain na.
And it's look like a portal. It just look like survivors of the... This is might be a long journey to establish. I really later burn.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
And let's see when it's like no lights.
Namin dire bungtod sa mua. Si Ate. Ay, kauban ako si Kisha, si Makit, si Bibi. Naputi mga silingan na mo diha, di makita. Ngitag signal. Oh, nagtaligsik na. Vlog sa siya. Vlog. Iya, tag vlog. More update guys. Wala pa mi kurenting tubig dere. Signal pangitaon.